everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine, and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over the tap step called the Paradiddle. This one's fun to do when you start getting them faster, so I'll show the slower version for the beginners and then work my way up to a faster version for the more advanced. So this step has 4 sounds. Let me walk you through them now. So the Paradiddle, you start with a heel dig. So with that, you're just going to hit that back part of your heel of your shoe, okay? So you're going to start, I'm going to show you from the side here. You're going to start with that heel. Then you're going to do something called a spank. You're going to pull your foot through, pull your heel through so that your toe hits and spank the floor, right? Slap the floor. So again, we start with that dig, pull through to your spank. Then you're going to step down on that foot and then drop your heel. Okay, so again, you have that heel dig, a spank, a step, and then drop your heel. Good, nicely done. Let's try that again, nice and slow. Let's try it a few times through. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more. Let me show you the back view of this as well. So right foot, you have that heel dig, you have the spank, then you step down and then drop your heel. Good, let's try left side now. So you have same thing, heel dig, spank, pull your toe through, you should hit the floor, then step down and then drop your heel. Again, heel, spank, step, heel. Let's try a few in a row. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. One more. All right, nicely done. So usually these alternate between the right foot and the left foot. So let me show you how that will work now. Let's do 4 in a row. Right side, left side, right side, left side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Nicely done. Let me face towards you now, and let's do 8 in a row now. So starting right side, 8 times through. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more. Nicely done, good. If you want to take it up a little bit in tempo and bring it more to an intermediate version, you would do it a little bit faster. So let's go, here we go. Let's try 8 of them through, starting on your right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Let me face you again, starting right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Awesome job. So if you want to make it more advanced, we're going to pick the tempo up again. So starting right foot, let's do 8 and nice, fast, quick tempo. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let me face you. Here we go. 8 again. Fast tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome job. If you want to go super fast, that's when you need to put a little bit of a bounce in your feet, and you bounce from one foot to the next. So if you want to go super fast, it would look a little bit something like this. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's try it facing you now. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Nicely done. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and make sure to subscribe for more tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.